Hi, I'm Steve Sauce, Director of Technical Services for Simoniz USA, also known as Doc Simo. With this video, we're going to cover the correct application of the new Simoniz Mototect program, featuring glass coat technology for paint and chrome, and our leather and vinyl protectant as well. This process can be applied in just a few steps. First, we'll need a freshly washed and dried motorcycle, a Mototect paint protectant featuring glass coat technology that will apply to all painted and chrome surfaces, and then our leather and vinyl protectant. Now let's get started. Now just apply a little Mototect with glass coat onto the cotton applicator and rub gently on the paint. This Mototect product is a polymer-based protectant. It goes on unlike a wax. There's no silicone. We just work it into the finish. It's polymerizing as we speak during our application, and you'll see it start to dry. We'll let that sit on the motorcycle for about 10 minutes and then level out with a microfiber towel. Mototect with glass coat is perfect for chrome. Same application. We're going to let it sit on there for about 10 minutes. Because this is not a wax, it's polymerizing to the surface, creating a nice link that bonds and protects against things that come out of the sky, bugs, dust, all those different elements. You can simply apply a lot of polymerize and then level out with a nice soft, clean microfiber towel. Get any on powder coat, just a quick wipe with the towel to remove it, be fine. No harm done. As you can see here, the product's nice and wet, starting to evaporate. It's polymerizing on the surface. What we're going to do to level that out is use a couple of microfiber towels. Just work it in. Make sure it's been spread evenly. You may see it starting to polymerize and evaporate. We'll just use a dry follow-up towel here to level it off and make it look beautiful. We'll follow up on the chrome. You can see it happening right here. Some advantages to Mototect: because it polymerizes, it has incredible durability due to its reactive properties. Another great benefit is if you do get it on black pieces, it doesn't turn it white and give us a lot of cleanup work at the end. That area is protected. We'll let that polymerize, start to dry out. We'll level it out with a microfiber towel, and that area is protected. Simoniz Mototect paint and chrome protectant featuring glass coat. We really need to make sure on the front end where it needs it most gets done correctly. We're going to apply to the paint any chrome pieces and make sure it's on there, polymerizes, and wipes off easily. This will include the fender, any chrome in the front end, and we will do the handlebars. Because it protects against damage from bugs, this is a great place to show how good it works. Polymerization is going on all over this bike right now. Since we've applied it all, it's starting to evaporate. We're going to use a couple of microfiber towels now to level it off. The difference is, as this product is starting to do its job, it's not turning white like a wax or any other type of sealant. So we just look for a little bit of drying, a little bit of streaking. We level off the microfiber towel. It's going to look beautiful and 100% protected.
Let's recap the application process for the Mototect Paint and Chrome Protectant. First, make sure the motorcycle is completely clean and dry. Then, apply the product to a cotton applicator pad. Next, start at the front of the motorcycle and work your way around, applying the product onto all chrome and painted surfaces. Apply enough product to simply get the surface wet. Allow the product to begin polymerization. You will see this happen as the product begins to evaporate off the surface, usually about 5 to 10 minutes. It is important that the product is not left to completely dry on its own. Should a specific area dry prematurely, go over that area with a small amount of the product and allow to cure properly, and then wipe off as normal. Finally, there is no need to buff the product after it polymerizes. Simply go over with a clean, dry microfiber towel to remove excess material and level off, bringing the finish to a high shine.
Now that we've completely applied the paint and chrome coating, let it evaporate a little bit, level it out with a microfiber towel, polished it down, looks absolutely beautiful. We're going to move on to the leather seating surfaces now. Now we're going to go ahead and put our leather protectant on all the leather and vinyl on the motorcycle. Quite simply, we're going to apply it with an applicator pad, work it in, use a clean dry towel, buff off the excess. The Mototect leather and vinyl protectant is going to just protect it from the elements. I'll go ahead and let that sit on here for just a minute or so. Take our clean dry towel, buff off the excess, and the leather and vinyl is protected.
The Mototect application kit comes with everything you need for 12 applications. Mototect Paint and Chrome Protectant, Mototect Leather Conditioner and Protectant, cotton applicator pads, and gloves.
And that completes the installation procedure for Simonized Mototect, featuring glass coat technology for paint and chrome. By the way, simple steps were, we take a motorcycle, it's washed and dried, we put the paint chrome protectant on, we let it start to dry, we applied our protectant to leather, come back, wipe everything down, make it look beautiful, and I'll tell you what, that's the way the bike's protected. And if you need more information, get onto our website at simonizusa.com, get all the information you need about all of our products and programs. And if you'd like to be a certified technician, the link is there as well. Hope you found this information useful, and happy motoring.